Is your car shifting gears like it's got a mind of its own? Or maybe it's stuck in one gear altogether? You could be dealing with a bad transmission shift solenoid. Let's break it down so you know exactly what to look for. And hey, if this helps you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. It keeps us going. Alright, first things first. What is a transmission shift solenoid? It's a small but mighty component inside your automatic transmission. Its job is to control the flow of transmission fluid to change gears. When it's not working right, your car's shifting ability goes out the window. Here are the key symptoms to watch out for. Erratic shifting. Does your car feel like it's confused about what gear it wants to be in? Maybe it's jumping from one gear to another, or shifting when it shouldn't. That's a classic sign the shift solenoid might be sticking or failing. Getting stuck in one gear. If you're driving and suddenly your car won't shift up or down, you're likely in what's called limp mode. The transmission defaults to one gear to protect itself, often because the shift solenoid isn't doing its job. Delayed or sluggish shifting. Ever hit the gas and feel like the car hesitates before it decides to shift? That delay could mean the solenoid isn't controlling the fluid pressure properly, so the gears take longer to engage. Transmission warning light. On newer cars, you might see a warning light pop up on the dashboard. A scan tool will usually reveal a code related to the solenoid, like P0750 or P0753. Hard shifting or clunking. If your car jerks or makes a loud clunk when shifting, it could be the solenoid failing to regulate the fluid pressure smoothly. No reverse gear. In some cases, a bad solenoid can keep you from going into reverse. If the solenoid responsible for that gear goes bad, reverse is out of the question. Low or dirty transmission fluid. While not directly a solenoid issue, bad fluid can cause the solenoid to malfunction. If you haven't changed your fluid in a while, start there before replacing the solenoid. So, what do you do if you're noticing these symptoms? First, check your transmission fluid. If it's low, dirty, or smells burnt, that could be part of the issue. If the fluid's fine, it's time to get those codes read. A mechanic can diagnose if the solenoid is the problem and whether it needs cleaning or replacement. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.